Hello guys, we're traveling to Turkey for our long-awaited holiday. Finally, we landed in Istanbul Airport. Siyempre, hindi namin pinalampas ang free wifi. Yeah. And we decided to eat our dinner in the Radisson Hotel because of the nice view and the food is great. We love Turkish food. So, after the dinner, guys, before going back to our hotel, namasyal muna kami. This is like 11 o'clock in the evening. So, ayan. Napakaraming tao. This is 11 o'clock in the evening. And we are back in the hotel. So we will have a rest and to be ready for tomorrow. Of course, before we start our activity next morning, breakfast muna kami dito sa Grand Halik Hotel. Yes. So this comprises our first day in Istanbul, Turkey. Thank you guys. Bye.